In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to authenticate error on Pokemon Go game app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're getting this message unable to authenticate, let's try again on Pokemon. Then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you want to ensure that you are trying to log in with the correct email account. If you have changed or you are using a different account that is not registered on your account, then this might be the reason. However, if you are using the correct email or account details, then you want to ensure that your internet connection is stable. But should this not fix your issue, then you want to troubleshoot your Pokemon Go before you try again. For that, you need to access Pokemon Go game app info page by just going to settings. From settings, scroll down to apps, and then under apps you should see all apps or manage apps. This will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Now from here, search for your app, and then if you tap on it, you'll access app info page. Go to force stop app to stop any background activities on this app. Then go to clear data and choose clear cache. Okay, and then again clear all data, and then restart your smartphone. Once you have restarted your smartphone, now open your app, log in, and now this should have fixed any issue that you are facing. But should this not work, then most likely you have an update, and by updating your app you should get the latest version that is without any issue. So for that, just go to Google Play Store and search for your app. So just search for Pokemon Go. And as you can see, we have an update, so go ahead, update to the latest version, and this will fix the issue. But should this not fix your issue, then most likely there is a server error. For that, you need to wait for some few minutes and try again later. And now if you go back to your Pokemon Go game app, everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if you still experience any issue at this moment, you want to ensure that you are not using or connected to any VPN, as this can cause this error. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.